La 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 la. Oh, tech news. Hello everyone and welcome to Newstone Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Apple is reportedly working on a device with a 20-inch folding display. Wow! It seems like Apple may be working on a 20-inch folding device, reported by Mark Gurman, which he described as an iPad or MacBook hybrid. He said that Apple is exploring the possibility of a folding device with a large folding screen. He claims that the device will feature a dual-screen display that omits a physical keyboard and trackpad. So it will be a full touchscreen experience like what we see with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. Sadly, for the release date, it will be quite far, as he cited 2026 to be the year of launch. But hey, that's a lot of time to get it right, unlike the buggy Lenovo. BONUS bonus news. And apparently Apple's 2022 iPhone SE will start at $300. Nice. It looks like the upcoming SE successor is rumored to launch on March 8, and now an analyst says that the new iPhone SE could start at $300, which is $99 less than the predecessor. However, another analyst thinks that Apple will stick with the $399 price, but maybe Apple is feeling nice. Speaking of nice, this is not, as 50% of transactions when Steam accepted Bitcoin for payments were fraudulent, says Lord Gaben. As we know, Steam isn't a big fan of crypto, as they haven't accepted Bitcoin in 5 years and now banning them with NFTs from the store. But that's not the only reason, as Gaben has revealed that 50% of the Bitcoin transactions back in 2016 was fraudulent, and 50% is a big number for that. So I see why they stopped. I'm sure that's enough for today, right? Because you gotta come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, peace out.